see somebody.
Take it back on the track when Christmas was whack, black hattie to the back.
The day after Halloween.
Love meant pride, rather beat till we die. Take it back on the track when Christmas was whack, black hattie to the back, not confused or power attack. Fam was a vibe, not a thorn in your side.
I wish for a 3DSX. I wish for a 3DS XL. I wish for Play-Doh, a new tablet, and some Legos and more Legos. And I wish for a lot of Legos and some Lego sets.
That's my son. He got on his J's. You know, black and yellow, black and yellow. He had to take a trip to Raleigh. I'll explain later. Y'all already know some of the story, but going to Raleigh. Okay, so I didn't find what I wanted, but I did find some cool items, and I'm not giving up on the thrill of the hunt. You know, this is up my lane. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to check out some other places. Right now, I'm actually in the Afton Ridge shopping center in Kannapolis. So I'm going to try some Dollar Trees in Charlotte. Let's go. For those who are local, it's the one right beside the Target over there. And Target, let me tell you, is a ghost town. I had to go in there to use their Wi-Fi. Ghost town, okay? So what I did get is, are these socks so adorable? Y'all, they're just, and the quality is so good. You see that? And they were $1.50. I love Pooh. They're just so cute. So cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna put these on real quick. And I'm going to go to Kohl's and IKEA and use my birthday money. I also got a coupon for Burlington Coat Factory, but I'm gonna use that to get my my layaway out for Asa's Christmas. Every little bit helps, honey. Every little bit helps. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. I know, I got to clean out the car. It was kind of, raining and all the things. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so I had a little time. I'm sneezing. My allergies are bothering me a little bit. I don't know why. But I had a little time to mull around in IKEA. And I wanted to also use my birthday coupon, which is a flat $10 off. Like, I don't have to spend more than $10 to get the $10 off. And then I noticed that they were actually having an event over there. Bingo, a little fun bingo. And so it's for all IKEA family members or whatever. So I'm just gonna get myself some coffee and then head on back over there. It's about 5:30. My meeting, the community meeting for Hidden Valley, is at 6:30. So I've got a little time, like I said, to mull around. Uh-oh, I just rubbed. Oh my God. I just rubbed off my mascara. You see, that's why I say I don't wear it on a regular basis. I love it, but I don't wear it on a regular basis. But anyway, let me get my coffee and go over there and then see what I see. And I can. Well, look at here. It worked out in one way because the other location did not have well, they had the sparkling water, but it was not sparkling. It was given just flat sparkling water. But this is giving me, this is definitely giving me sparkling water. So that's a plus. All right, let's get on back over here and see what the deal. Let's see if I can win off gate. Yeah, that's where they're at right there. I-18. I-18. O-63. O-63. And 45.
I'll use one of them.
And 45.
Oh, he's already marked them. Okay,
Thank you.
40.
3, 8. B, 5. I, 16. I, 16. I, 29.
Bingo! Air
B, 14. B, 14. N, 39. N, 39. I, 21. I, 21. I, 30. I, 30. G, 48. G, 48. I, 20. I, 20. B, 5. B, 5. O, 69. O, 69. G, 47. G, 47. I, 24. I, 24. G, 53. G, 53. O, 74. O, 74. B, 13. O, 70.
I was like, yeah, we're starting a new board every month. It's hard to be a forever. There's so many classes out there. What is the biggest?
25. I, 25. N, 45. N, 45. B, 14. I, 26.
I seem to be my I was close to her. Oh, close. We're in these two. I said, Hannah and I are doing a lot of the bigger games. I can't see.
Now, what is all the gifts?
You gotta add it, you know. Oh, chocolate.
31, N 31, I 21, I 21, G 50, O 57.
So she won these.
Are you live?
Not live.
I 24, I 24, N 38, N 38, B 3, C 3, C 4.
Bingo!
Oh, there you go.
We got B4, I28, N36, G47, O73. Are a winner.
Some good prizes up there, huh?
I think the twos are better.
No.
I would have a hard time.
Yeah.
And I'd even look.
There's so many choices, right? When you like go over there.
Plant. With that, yeah, good choice. Wonderful choice. That's a good choice. She got a plant. It's awesome.
I can't even see them all. Sorry. Switch.
I'm jealous.
C 15, C 15, O 74, O 74, I 30,
Oh,
11, C 11, C
They bought one
1,
here.
C 1, I 29, I 29, C 8, C 8, G 46.
There you go.
That was. How can they call? Like, it's not cold.
I26, free space, G46, O72.
Number one, please.
What you think?
no, I did it. Yeah, I did it.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're asking.
Well, later. I thought it was 2, but oh yeah, it is. It's really gooey.
I just got like that. You spin into the
Y'all tell me. I'm gonna get y'all fixed up there. Put it in your mouth. So you like it? The gingerbread? So it's not a caramel.
Oh, it's good.
Alright.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh boy.
It's good. Yeah. You know what? Ironically enough, it doesn't work on food. It doesn't work. I tried that last year because I get it every year. Last year was like the first year I tried to use it on food products, and they were like, "No, you can't use it on food." Not bad. Not bad. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought you were taking it out. Oh, okay. Kimberly, are you a small business owner? You said what? And what is that? You sell what? What is it?
Also, Kids Week free on Martin Luther King Day in January. Same deal, just with the purchase of an adult entree. Kids have to be 12 and under. Kids Cookie Club, first Saturday of every month. That is for kids usually between 4 and 7, but really if you have a kid who just likes to play with food, bring them. And I do know a lot of people end up saying this when they come here. maybe it's full or there's a waiting list, but just show up because like 75 people RSVP to this, but only half show up. So 9 times out of 10, if you just come in, 9 will be able to like accommodate you. So just keep that in mind. For any event that you see on the website that interests you, just drop one in. All right, so let's get back started.
I'm with you. I'm sleepy. All right, green.
50, G 50, I 28, G 34.
Oh, I just needed G51.
I-29, 40, G48, 074.
Well, you may absolutely do that. If you win something, keep it definitely. Hey, that was such a cute little moment, and I've got just enough time to get over to the church for the Hidden Valley meeting. Let's go. Okay, well, I did try, but she just told me that tonight is the church members appreciation dinner, and they're not having the Hidden Valley meeting as they normally would on the second Tuesday, so it won't happen this month. So I'm gonna head on so that I can make the Haitian Association of Lawyers. I am a member of that organization, and so I've got to sign on for our Zoom meeting, and yeah. And then that's gonna be it for me for today. Don't ask me about my hair. Don't ask me about my hair. Don't do it. Just know it looks much better in person. Much better in person. Sorry, I was trying to figure out my life here. I'm gonna get my birthday 3-pack of, and I want original glaze. I was just trying to figure out which coffee I wanted to get, or I might actually, let me just get one more donut. So, yeah, the 3-pack for my birthday and then an original glaze.
You want more glaze?
Yes.
Alright, that a deal?
Yep, and I'll drive around. I have my coupon.
Have you ready for it?
Thank you. The goods, got the goods. I decided I wanted to make my own coffee. Yeah, sometimes, y'all know how it is now. Now that we in our bag making our own coffee, like, y'all comment. Let me know. Like, there's nothing better than your coffee. It just slaps every time because you know exactly how you want it. Go to Concord Meals later today because I want to get my gift from Bath and Body Works. And I got to figure out how to fix this. Let me see if I can. I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to DIY. I don't want to start messing up my pearl. So we'll see. Know any way that it can be done easily DIY? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, let me pay attention to the road and get home safely. Start homeschooling ASAP. See you in the next clip. Chocolate hazelnut crunch, my God. Cookies and cream bar cake. And red velvet. Carrot cake. Oh my God. Okay. I might as well get the limited edition. That's what I'm gonna do. So just take it up there and. Okay, thank you. This is really nice. Okay, Publix. That is so sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
49.
Yeah, let's see.
Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
No, it's not doing that. It's not doing it. It's not taking it off. It's my birthday.
Gotcha. You typed in the phone number?
I did. Unless I put in my old number. I'm not sure if I updated it because I normally just scan.
If you want to try the new number.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You should be able to type it in right there.
Okay. There we go.
There we go.
Okay, I forgot. I had updated it. Okay.
You should print your receipt if you want to.
Okay. Thank you. This was a really sweet gift. Thank you. Awesome. I keep forgetting that I've updated my number because I just kept using the old number forever. And shout out to the people who have my new number because they came in clutch. I got something special for you if you watch my content. For sure. Thank you. So good in you.
Good.
Keep it
I
simple.
guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
The T-shaped eyebrow scraper, and then the small flat mouth eyelash curler and flat brow clip. I don't know why I thought they was tweezers. Okay, so even though these are not on sale, I have to get them. Too cute. And I'm tempted to get the pie. I really want olive oil. Oh, wait, they got Bob Ross. Stop. And that's so cute. That is so cute. Princess Tiana, right? Or not Ariel. Might be Ariel. Oh, this is hilarious. That's cute. Sissy roll ones. I like that too. With Bob Ross. That's hilarious. The corn nuts. Jeopardy. I think I got it, but the Rainbow Bright go crazy too. I think I saw a strawberry shortcake. Stop it. This is Bird. I gotta have these two. Good Minions. Okay, these are great stocking stuffers. Just need them to be on sale. Let me check a few more. Got the salted caramel.
Breakfast was good today.
What's good? Really? Salted caramel. And I already used the eyebrow rake or whatever, and I'm not even mad at it. It's actually cleaned it up even more.
She looks like a monkey.
This one and help me, y'all, help me. Okay, just so you know what it is, it's the salted caramel. We caught him that time. Yeah, woo! Tender night, it might seem special. I'm trying to see if he gonna do it again. The face though. We're in Concord Meals. I'm trying to be discreet. Let me show you something. So they're $6 or 4 for $5. But this same right here, these socks are at the dollar store. I think I saw the Pringles. I think they got Kool-Aid. They definitely have ramen. They have Cheetos. Let's see. They definitely have Garfield. They definitely have Rugrats. That's crazy. Oh, that's hilarious. That's smooth right there, though. I do like those. Okay. Why pay more? Why pay more? goods. Got the goods. Good old Qdoba. Good old cheese. It was right on time, too. Uh-oh. Just running errands today. It's just the right size for my cup holder. Me and Asa are snacking. Want to say hello? Some goodies. I'll show you real quick. This is the Sephora lip glosses, the oil infusion. This one is blackberry. I used my $10, my 500 points. Then I got this here with my Kohl's birthday cash and Kohl's cash. I think these are super cute. Yay!
And don't forget, we're going to be open at 12 o'clock on Sundays. I have special wings and special drinks, $6 crown, $6, $1,800. And come watch the football game. Good that sound, yeah. It make you sound like you're a real singer. You know he can't sing. I don't see how Diane do it. I'll put that dude.
Terrible.
I want to tell you.